It's pretty crazy. This place has been very good to me. You know, I tore down the fence here one time, and I felt like it owed me one, and I got a Daytona 500. So now I feel like it's paid me back twice. I'm very fortunate of that. And you know, it's just one of those places you never know what to expect. You got to keep a positive mindset and just keep digging. You know, it feels better now that you know, there a while I thought we were going to call it because it rained, but to come back and win it the right way, it feels good. Oh, I don't know what happened. I just knew that I wanted to make my move before the white flag, so no cautions could dictate the race. And I knew I had two Chevys behind me, so I was trying to build a run, and I had a good enough run into turn one. And you know, I just touched him a little bit, and he got a little free, and he was able to save it. And then I felt really good about getting my teammate back to my back bumper. When he got to the back bumper, I felt confident about the end of the race. Yeah, it's one of those things, leave it all out on the track. We had a plan. The first stage, we were going to make sure we got through that and then race hard. And you know, it's weird at these speedways, you know a wreck is going to happen. It's coming, and you got to put yourself in bad positions to get in a good position. And it's constantly this battle with your mind of like, hey, am I far enough forward to miss a wreck? And you never really know. We were just very fortunate today, and the good Lord shined down upon us, and we're able to get here.